Title: How New Product Ideas Happen. A simple guide for young learners. Part 1. What is product ideation? Product ideation means thinking up new ideas for things people might want or need. It is the very first step when a business wants to make something new. People talk, draw, and imagine different tools, toys, apps, or services and choose the best ideas to try out. Why ideation matters? Good ideas lead to useful products. When a company listens to customers and thinks carefully, it can make things that help people and earn money. Poor ideas waste time and money. Ideation helps teams test small ideas before spending lots of effort. Principle 1. Start with the problem. Explanation. The best ideas try to fix a real problem. Instead of making something because it sounds cool, first ask, who has a trouble and how can we help? When you know the problem, it is easier to design something useful. Common mistakes companies make: making products nobody needs, ignoring customer complaints, assuming one idea fits everyone. Examples of mistakes: a toy maker making a very complex game kids do not enjoy, a food brand launching a flavor nobody in the market likes, a gadget company building a tool that is too hard to use. Lessons learned: talk to many people, watch how they live, and write down the exact problem before imagining solutions. Principle 2. Involve different people. Explanation. Great ideas come when people with different skills and backgrounds work together. Designers, engineers, sellers, and customers all bring useful views. Mixing ideas helps spot problems early and makes better solutions. Common mistakes companies make: only the boss decides, teams that all think the same way, ignoring customer feedback. Examples of mistakes: a startup led only by tech people who forgot marketing needs, a company team where everyone trained the same way and missed a big issue, a firm that did not test with users and shipped a confusing product. Lessons learned: draw many versions, build quick mock-ups, and show them to people for feedback before full development. Principle 3. Make many small ideas first. Explanation. At the start, create lots of simple ideas instead of one perfect idea. Small sketches, quick models, or short role plays help choose the best directions. This makes it cheaper to change course early. Common mistakes companies make: locking into one idea too soon, investing too much before testing, hiding early versions because they seem imperfect. Examples of mistakes: a company building a full product before real customers said they wanted it, a team spending months coding features no one used, a brand printing large stock of a new product before trial sales. Lessons learned: draw many versions, build quick mock-ups, and show them to people for feedback before full development. Part 2. Principle 4. Build and test quickly. Explanation. Turn an idea into a simple model or prototype fast so you can try it with real people. Quick tests show what works and what does not without spending too much time or money. Common mistakes companies make: spending too long perfecting a product before testing it, making expensive prototypes that nobody sees, ignoring feedback from early tests. Examples of mistakes: a toy company that built a fully featured toy before children played with a simple mock-up and then had to scrap costly parts. A food brand that refined a recipe for months without tasting it with shoppers and failed at launch. An app maker that coded a full version before testing core buttons and found users confused. Lessons learned: make simple mock-ups, watch people use them, and change fast based on what you learn. Principle 5. Listen to users and watch them use things. Explanation. Ask people what they want, but also watch how they actually behave. Sometimes people say one thing but do another. Observing real habits helps make ideas that fit daily life. Common mistakes companies make: spending too long perfecting a product before testing it, making expensive prototypes that nobody sees, ignoring feedback from early tests. Examples of mistakes: a gadget maker that relied on focus group praise but ignored how families stored things at home. A food brand that tested products in a tasting room but not in busy markets where shoppers decide quickly. An app maker developed from teacher interviews only and not tested in noisy classrooms. Lessons learned: combine interviews with real-life observation, test where products will be used, and design for how people actually behave. Principle 6. Keep ideas simple and easy to use. Explanation: simple products are easier to understand, cheaper to make, and more likely to be loved. Clear rules, few buttons, and easy steps help users win quickly. Common mistakes companies make: adding too many features that confuse users, making designs that need long instructions, forgetting basic ergonomics like size and weight. Examples of mistakes: a remote control with too many buttons that users ignore, a kitchen tool with complicated parts that people do not want to clean, a study app with many menus that students cannot navigate. Lessons learned: remove non-essential features, watch new users try the product without help, and design for how people actually behave. Principle 7. Plan how it will be made and sold early. Explanation: think about how to build the product and how people will buy it while you are still shaping the idea. If it's too hard to make or too expensive to sell, the idea may not work even if it's great. Common mistakes companies make: dreaming of fancy materials that cost too much, designing a product that cannot be manufactured at scale, forgetting shipping, packaging, or retail rules. Examples of mistakes: a clothing brand that chose silk for a low price point and could not make a profit, a gadget with parts that only one supplier could provide and caused delays, a snack packaged in a way that shops would not stock. Lessons learned: check costs, find several makers, and think about packaging and distribution from the start. Principle 8. Stay patient and keep improving. Explanation: some ideas need time. After testing and launching, watch how people use the product and make small improvements. Successful products evolve with users. Common mistakes companies make: giving up too early after a slow start, ignoring small complaints that grow into big problems, refusing to update when users change habits. Examples of mistakes: a startup that closed after a slow first month without learning from feedback, a toy that broke easily and was never fixed, causing bad reviews, a service that did not update payment options and lost customers. Lessons learned: collect user feedback after launch, fix small issues quickly, and plan regular updates based on real use. Part 3. Summary of the journey. Ideation is the first step in making new things. It starts with finding a real problem, bringing different people together, and making many small ideas. Then teams build quick models, watch how people use them, keep design simple, check how to make and sell the product, and keep improving over time. Each step helps turn a thought into something useful. Common traps to avoid. One trap is falling in love with one idea and ignoring signs it will not work. Another trap is skipping tests and launching something broken. A third trap is forgetting the people who will use the product and making something too hard or too expensive. Avoid these traps by staying curious, testing early, and listening to users. 3 short stories of things that went wrong. A toy maker chose one design and spent a long time making many of them. Kids did not like the toy, and the company had unsold boxes. A small food company cooked a new snack and sent it to stores without asking shoppers first. The snack tasted fine, but the package was hard to open, and customers did not buy it. A school app was built by clever programmers, but it needed strong internet that most schools did not have. The app failed because the makers had not checked how students would access it. Lessons to remember. Start with the problem and talk to the people who have it. Try many ideas quickly and test small models. Keep things simple so users learn fast. Think about how to make and sell early on. After launch, watch, listen, and improve little by little. Be patient and kind to the idea while you learn. A simple checklist for idea teams. Find and write down the problem you want to solve. Ask different people to join brainstorming. Make many quick sketches or models. Test a simple model with real users and watch how they use it. Keep the design easy to use. Check how it will be made and how much it will cost. Launch a small test and collect feedback. Fix small problems and repeat improvements. A short pep talk for young makers. Ideas can change the world when they help others. Mistakes are part of learning. Try often, listen to people, and keep making your idea better. Your small tests and kind curiosity will grow into something people love.